Now everyone will say this lab has been fixed. Now here is the updated solution for this guide. Let's cover it. First of all, in the description box, I've shared this repository. Select from here, and in the terminal, simply paste over here and hit enter. Now once you have pasted it, come over here and just copy the second command, paste over here, hit enter. Now wait for it to generate all the data. And most important thing, they will just share the same file and say, do avoid GitHub repo. Okay, now wait for a few seconds. So finally here you can see both the things are done. If you just view also, you can see the file and image have been generated. It will take some time to update the score, so wait for some more time. You can clearly see we completed the lab. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel.